Good day, children. Sai Ram. Welcome to the class once again. In the last class, I started with a new lesson, The New Alarm Clock, written by Rama Ramesh. We understood the importance of a clock. We also got to know some good information about how and by whom the first alarm clock was created. Well, let me tell you his name once again. His name is Levi Hutchins and he created the first alarm clock in 1787. We learned some new words and how to frame sentences with those words. We will come across some more new words in today's lesson explanation. Now children, these are the words which we learned in the last class. They were pant, glared, sneeringly, snickered, resounded, groggily. Very good. So today we learn some more new words. Okay. The first word is meekly. Meekly means timidly. Second word, huff, which means bad mood. Third word, briskly, which means quickly and energetically. Fourth word, thoughtful, which means thinking about something. Fifth word, groaned. Here children in the lesson, which means protested. Sixth word, precisely, which means exactly. And seventh word, gritting, which means pressing the top and bottom teeth together. Okay. Now children, repeat the words after me. First word, meekly. Very good. Huff. Briskly. Thoughtful. Groaned. Precisely. Gritting. Very good children. Repeat the words once again. Meekly. Huff. Briskly. Thoughtful. Groaned. Precisely. Gritting. Very good children. One more time. Meekly. Huff. Briskly. Thoughtful. Groaned. Precisely. Gritting. Very good children. Okay. Now let's proceed with framing of the sentences. Okay, I'll help you frame the sentences. First word I explained to you children, it's meekly, which the sentence is, she meekly sang in front of the audience. Huff. She went inside the room in a huff after fighting with her brother. Third word, briskly. He started walking briskly as he saw a dog following him. Fourth word, thoughtful. Smita had a thoughtful look on her face. Fifth word, groaned. Ajju groaned as he was not allowed to go down to play. Sixth word, precisely. The meeting starts precisely at 2 o'clock. Seventh word, gritting. He walked away gritting his teeth after being scolded. Very good, children. Let's proceed further. Okay, now what do you see in the slide, children? You see some children sleeping cozily in the bed, and there's an alarm clock. Okay, so let me start explaining to you the story. Okay, this is a story we all would be familiar with. How difficult it is to wake up early in the morning to reach school in time. How do you get up every morning, children? Does someone wake you up? Or do you use an alarm to get up? So now I shall start with the explanation. Okay, now the characters that we have in the lesson are, the characters or the people in the lesson are Tina and her friends Deepa and Ajay, Mrs. Sudipta, Tina's mother, father, and her brother Ashu. Okay, now our story begins in the classroom where Miss Sudipta is busy taking an English class. She's taking a grammar class and she's teaching active and passive voice. If you see in the picture, children, what do you see? You see the children are studying and looking very happy. The picture shows them paying attention and doing their work as Sudipta ma'am is explaining to them. Now suddenly the door opens, and who should walk in? A little girl named Tina. Something was wrong. Tina actually was late to class. Sudipta ma'am glares at her. Glares means she looks at her angrily. Meekly. Meekly, what did I tell you the meaning about this word, children? Meekly means timidly or in a shy way. The little girl says sorry and sits down at her bench in a huff. Huff means in a bad mood. Her friend Deepa also gives her an upset look. However, the class goes on. Now what do you see over here, children, in this picture? You can see a puzzle. Well, it's a Sudoku puzzle. Now her friend Ajay, he passes Tina a little Sudoku puzzle. Tina forgets about the class and starts solving the puzzle briskly. Briskly means quickly and energetically. Now Sudipta ma'am hears them whispering. She is upset with them, and at the end of the class she says, I would like to put you all on the front bench where I can see you all better. So you can see in the slide, children, you can see in the picture, she has put all the three of them, Deepa, Tina and Ajay, all three of them are sitting on the first bench. And Sudipta ma'am, she puts them over there so she can look at them better. Now the class ends, and in the evening, the children go to Tina's place where Tina's mother has made some lovely samosas. What do you see in the picture, children, over here? Tina's mother, she's bringing some lovely tasty hot samosas. Now all the three of them, all the three friends, they enjoy the lovely samosas while chatting with each other. Then while on their way home, Deepa and Ajay were thoughtful. Thoughtful means thinking about something. They are thinking about something. Now what is it? While discussing about Tina's birthday and wonder what to give her for a gift. Children, don't you give a gift to your friends? Yes. So even Ajay and Deepa, they are wondering which gift to give to Tina. First, they decided to gift her a simple alarm clock. But Ajay groaned Now what's the meaning of groan, children? I taught you all. Here the meaning is protested. Since Tina already had an alarm clock. Now why did Ajay groan? Because Tina already had an alarm clock. They decide to gift her a jigsaw alarm clock. Now children, y'all have heard jigsaw puzzle? Okay, jigsaw puzzles are those pieces which are put together and then it forms a bigger picture. So, and it was something very different. Now they went to Amar Bazaar. Now can you see in this picture? Amar Bazaar is a market. Okay, it's a bazaar. So they go over there, and in that gift shop you can see over there, they buy the gift and they wrap it. And on Thursday when they go to Tina's birthday party, they give this beautiful and unique gift to Tina. Okay, can you see the picture? In the picture, can you see the birthday party, all of them enjoying, and there's this gift box over there. Okay. Now when Tina opened the gift wrapping, she found this clock and she was so excited and happy to see this beautiful gift. And she decided to set the alarm clock to 6 o'clock for the next morning. Well, what happened next morning? I'm sure everyone was waiting. The alarm clock did its work. It started ringing precisely at 6 o'clock. Precisely, I taught you children. What is it? Precisely means exactly. So the alarm clock started ringing exactly at 6 o'clock. Now Tina tried to hit the snooze button. What is a snooze button? It is a button with which you stop the alarm ringing. It stops the alarm ringing. But now can you see in the picture children, there is no snooze button. So there was no snooze button. Everybody in the house came running to Tina's room. They asked her to shut it off at once. It was so loud and disturbing. Then Tina told them in a groggy way. So now Tina was very sleepy. So I've explained to you the meaning of groggy children. So in a way where she cannot, in an unclear way, she told them that this cannot be shut. We have to find the puzzle pieces. Gritting his teeth. Now gritting, I told you the meaning children. Gritting means pressing the top and bottom teeth together, often in anger. Okay. So gritting his teeth, Ashu searched the room. Everybody went helter-skelter. Helter-skelter went running here and there. You can see in the picture. Okay. Why did they run helter-skelter? They ran helter-skelter looking for the pieces under the bed, under the cupboard, behind the doors, and all over the room. Finally, they found all the puzzle pieces. Okay, now you can see in this picture, they found all the puzzle pieces. The puzzle pieces were of different colors. Red, blue, green, yellow. Okay, so they found the pieces and they put them together. So quickly they put the puzzle pieces back and then there was silence. They were all happy and the clock had stopped ringing. But when they looked at the time, what did they see? To their surprise and shock, the time was pretty late. They had wasted their time looking for the puzzle pieces. Tina ran off to school and what happened then? Well, she was more late than usual. She walked into the class. Sudipta ma'am was busy teaching. Can you see in the picture children? She's again late to school. She's standing at the door and Sudipta ma'am is teaching. All the children were studying. Now what did Sudipta ma'am say to her? Well, Sudipta ma'am was upset again and she told Tina, you have a special composition to write. is going to be of 1,000 words. You're going to write why you are late to school today. Okay, now what did Tina do? Tina submitted her work to Miss Sudipta. She wrote the composition of 1,000 words and she submitted it to Miss Sudipta. What happened the next day? Yes, children? What do you think what must have happened? Well, Miss Sudipta came to the class and she was all smiles. Means she was very happy. She picked up Tina's composition and said that she was very happy and she was very happy with Tina's creative writing. In fact, she was so happy that she gave Tina an A grade. Can you see in the picture? There's an A grade. Okay, so for the composition, Sudipta ma'am gave Tina an A grade. Now Tina was so happy. Now children, when you get good marks, aren't you happy? Yes. So same way, Tina also was so happy with the grade and the praise that Miss Sudipta had showered upon her. Sudipta ma'am thought that her essay was the result of her creative imagination. But it was actually because of the jigsaw puzzle that had done the trick. Okay, the class was very happy for Tina and this was how the class ended on a very happy note. Can you see? Deepa, Tina, Ajay, all are very happy. Okay, so the class ended on a very happy note. Okay. What is the message, children? What have you learned from this lesson? Okay. What is the message? Think. Okay. The message for all of us is to learn to be punctual. And you have to try to be punctual at everything you do each day. So the message of punctuality means on time. So you have to be punctual at everything you do each day. If you cannot be early, it is said, children, if you cannot be on time, then be early. Okay, children, now time for some activity. Okay, now fill in the blanks with the words from the lesson. I hope you all have read the lesson. Okay, so the first sentence is a dash arrived with a whoosh. What is the answer, children? Think. Yes. Whirlpool. So the answer is a whirlpool arrived with a whoosh. Second sentence. Tina hastily stuffed the dash into another page. Have you all thought? What is the answer? Yes. Sudoku. So the answer is Tina hastily stuffed the Sudoku into another page. Third sentence. She realized the wicked scheme of the clock and yelled out in despair. So the answer is despair. She realized the wicked scheme of the clock and yelled out in despair. Fourth sentence. Ashu dash on a yellow puzzle piece under the table. Yes. Answer is pounced. Ashu pounced on a yellow puzzle piece under the table. Fifth sentence. The family dash over the silence but only for a moment. Yes. Rejoiced. So the answer is rejoiced. The family rejoiced over the silence, but only for a moment. Sixth sentence. I was dash to hear that. Yes. I was thrilled to hear that. Very good, children. Let's proceed further. There's one more activity. Who said to whom? Okay. So read the sentence and tell me the answer. Who has said this sentence to whom? First sentence. Nice friend, aren't you? Who has said this sentence, children? Yes. Deepa said to Ajay. So the sentence nice friend, aren't you was said by Deepa to Ajay. Second sentence, can't you stop that horrible thing? Who has said this sentence, children? Yes. Ashu said to Tina. Very good. Third sentence. Come home today, mom is making kheer. Who said it, children? Yes. Tina said to Ajay and Deepa. Okay. Very good, children. Very good. Okay, children. See you in the next class. Now, children, go through the lesson, read it several times, learn the new words, try to frame your own sentences, and remember the message that we have learned from this lesson, and solve the worksheet. The link has been given in the description box. Thank you.